Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the book. Quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone else you think will enjoy our content. Looks like today we're doing 318. And if we start with this column here, we're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here. So 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. We've got a 5 there, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 7. I don't see any help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 9 here. So 4, 7. Just the 9 here, so 2, 4, 7. 4 and 7 here and a 2 here means this is our 9. And the 4 and 7 means this is our 2. We can get rid of this 2 here. And that 2 comes up here, makes this our 7, 2. And that 7 makes this our 4, 7. That 4 makes this our 9. For this column now, we're only missing a 3. That 9 makes this our 4. For this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, 8, 9. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 8, 9. 8 here, 7 here, so 1, 9. 9 here, so 1, 7, 8. 8 here, 9 here, so 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 7 here and a 2 there. So this is our 9. 1 here, 2 there makes this our 7. 1 here makes this our 2, 1. That 1 makes this our 7 and 9. So we can get rid of this 7 and this 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 here, 5 here, so 3, 8. 1 here, 3 here, so 5, 8. 5 here, So 1, 3, 8, 3 here, so 1, 5, 8. For this column, looks like we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. That 5 makes this our 8. That 8 makes this our 3. So that 3 and 8 makes this our 1, and that makes this our 5. That 1 makes this our 8, 1. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.